Hey guys, it's Pauline. So I have a paper person shop order. Then we have a Peachy Cheap order. And then we have a Simon Says stamp. These are all little kits. So let's take a little look. All right, so this is my monthly subscription kit. And we will take a look at that right quick. Sorry about the paper rustling. So I think I only got a couple of things that was outside of the kit. And she didn't have a whole lot. And then I think the one stamp, seemed like there was a stamp that I wanted, but it was I had missed it because I didn't realize that the sale was going on. So you have to be like one of the first people to she runs out really fast, put it that way. But I got this is I think my kit comes with this, but I wanted an extra one. I thought these were really pretty. And then I got a couple of washi tapes. So we got that. And then let's take a look at the kit. Now this, I know I bought this was extra. I wasn't sure exactly what to do with this. I mean, it looks like you do Project Life with this. But I won't be doing the week number probably because I'm not going to keep this up. I'm not going to be doing 52 weeks of this. But I don't know. Maybe the weeks I do it, I might put the week number on there, but most likely I'll probably cover that up. But say like you go out of town or anything, you got anything going on that week, or you just might want to document 1 week at a time. But anyway, I would think you put little photos here, and then you document what you want to document on the bottom. So I picked that up. I think they don't give you enough to do like a whole year. I forget how many is in there, but it's like I said, it's not enough for a whole year, but it's enough to try it. So that's what I picked up. Let's see. And so let's take a look at my monthly kit. I really like her kits. Let's see. Should open this one. All right. I know that's going to be super loud. Sorry, y'all. Oops. All right. So she used to back her cards with library cards, and I hate that she don't do that anymore. I guess some people must have complained or something. I like the library cards. Anyway. All right, so let's take a look at the stamp set. This looks really nice. It's useful for documenting. I really like that. Wonder if she got that from the show. But anyway, and I've never seen that show. Didn't look like something I would like. All right, let's see. So this is alphas that go with it, and really cute. We get a January. Oh, see, like now this one, she does have the library card on the other side. I like that. And then we got February. And then oh, that's pretty. All right, so the color scheme is nice. And so, like I said, we have another one of these sticker sets that came with the kit. All right, and then we'll look at our cards. Very pretty. I like this. And then that one's really cute. And then you get a miniature one. Very nice. I love the way she documents. This is so pretty. I love those colors. Look at that. I like that. So you get January and February. I wonder why. Is she not going to come out with a February kit? Oh, that's interesting. You have a little picture of yourself right there at the beginning of the year. That's interesting. I like that. Okay. And then you have some die cuts. Let's take a quick look at these. All right. I like these colors. All right. And that is my, oh shoot. Okay. That is my paper person kit and a few extras. So we will put that to the side, and then we'll go to what I picked up from Peachy Cheap. So here's a Peachy Cheap Deal. I remember this one. So I was looking at that one and trying to decide if I really wanted that one. I really liked this thickers. Really like that one. And the paper pad just seems like it was kind of so. It's not really my colors, but I think I like the boldness of this one. And I think the journaling bits and stuff was really cute. So I think all the supporting things were cute. Yeah, I mean, I like those colors, but it's something off about it. It's not quite my thing. But anyway, I picked it up. And then when I don't totally love it, then I won't feel bad about diving right in and doing whatever I want with it. Because I won't feel like I wasted something gorgeous, if that makes any sense. All right, and then I'm just going to kind of look over that really quick. Okay. And then we got these. These are really cute. And then that's what's in here. I'm not going to open that. That'll just take too much time. But that is my Peachy Cheap Deal. And then we have Simon Says stamps. Now, I think this is a February kit. I don't subscribe to them, but it was a couple of elements of this kit that I liked. And so I went ahead and got the whole thing. And I do like that it came with one of these, I call it a Studio Calico kits. Zipper pouches, because they were the first ones I knew of that had this, but this one is really nice. So let's take a look. I like that it comes in this paper bag. I used to subscribe to them, but they're more about card making, and so I stopped because I don't really do cards anymore. All right. So let's take a look at this kit. So we got holographic, ooh, I went in frame. Holographic rainbow paper. That's neat. Then we got a die. That's this love. It's like it's got a shadow. You got the word itself and then the outline. And then it's a $5 code. And then you got these, this glitter paper. This is interesting, as this is very, very thin. I kind of feel like it might be adhesive backed. I don't know, but it kind of feels like that. And oh, we got a card, envelopes, and then we got card bases with foxes. That's cute. This isn't my favorite color scheme, but you know, it's okay. And then, like I said, I won't be afraid to waste it. All right, and then we got this stencil. Very nice. I can definitely see myself using this stencil. And then this this stamp pad. This is a 6x8. Oh, I don't think I realized that this was 6x8. I really like that. And then they always give you a project sheet to kind of give you a jumping off point. I like that too. Look at that one. That one would be really cute to make. But I would have to see how they did that. But anyway, very, very nice. And then you get coordinating cardstock. And then, what is this? Is this sticker paper? Oh, I think so. I think this is sticker paper. Maybe printable, or maybe you stamp on it. It feels slick. I don't know. I have to see. And then, look at that. You get a Spectrum Noir tri-blend brush markers. Very, very nice. And I love this color. It's so pretty. And then we got this. And then you got this really nice pouch to put everything in. All right, so that is everything. And I will talk to you guys later. Bye.